Hi guys, come on sa kape sa kagre sa tabi. Come on mon, come on bagaye pour nous. So, fin excusez-moi parce que chaque pas poster vidéo pour semaine qui s'est passée parce que me devais poster vidéo pour nous. Now we can pass here, but à cause de ça qui passe à Haïti, l'état dominé mon pile, ça fait mal. Nous ouais comme au petit monsieur policier, ça fait mal en pile. M'pas gain assez de courage pour me filmer. Toujours pas gain assez de courage, but je dis un petit bon font petite vidéo pour nous. So, avant de rentrer dans moment vidéo, ça m'a dit nous tout merci parce que nous partagez, nous commentez, nous share, like, et ça pourquoi abonner, on a maman de so done. Sawatan. So yeah, chaîne là pour nous lier, nous qu'à commenter dire ça nous voulons, ok? So, je viens pour faire nos plaisirs, grand goût. À peine je travaille là, nous, ma manger quoi qu'est-ce qu'il y a, nous, yeah. So, je dis à moi laisser point Christian. Non, et pas point non. On dit ça sur réaction. So, ba montrer non nous ça mettait là mettre une petite tête pantalon ba kon ba kon si nous kawal. So mettez une petite tête pantalon et puis mettez ceinture ça pour peser votre main et puis les ceintures on peser ventre qu'on est toute forme ou vient paraître net bien belle right. So et puis pendant ce cas on va laisser baisser devant regarder derrière nous derrière va baisser devant comme ça pour moi ça l'a fait ok m'a fait ça moi le fait comme si sky m'a beau et m'a monter sur carbone na bagay ça parce que nous tous les deux quand il y a nous ce travail pas critiquer parce qu'en dans chambre dans calé pas de chance pour nettoyer ok so li en dans chambre on allait rebrancher la pour nous pour like all the comments stuff like that. What are you doing?
Really? You put that?
You have to put you have to put no, it's not for kids. If you put yes, they will block all your comments.
Fine. I guess I'll just have to eat it all myself.
You know?
10 pieces and pepper with extra ranch.
When did you take that video?
You know you want that smoky, tangy, and spicy sauce and tossed wing style, where flavor gets its wings.
There's nothing, just special.
Your heartbeat, you.
So what we're gonna
People
eat?
with heart failure
Oh my
take
god, I can
Entresto.
believe
It
how
may lead to a world of possibilities.
I can believe how dirty Sky fit and you
Entresto
see
is a
that?
heart failure medicine prescribed by most cardiologists. It
Oh
was
my
proven
God.
superior at helping people stay alive and out of the hospital.
Wow. Did that
Heart
lady
failure can change the structure.
she has a
of the heart,
carpet,
so it may
right?
not work as well.
Oh.
Entresto helps improve your heart's ability to pump blood to
Let
the
me lie
body.
down a little
And
bit.
with a healthier heart,
I want to
there's
make
no
a video,
doubt
but I
that
don't know what
you
kind of
can
video to make. I'm so tired.
Don't take Entresto if pregnant. It can cause harm or death to an
I want to.
unborn baby.
I didn't
Don't
post
take
the
Entresto
video.
if
You
the nasal
remember I was
or
trying to
RLS
do the
here,
prank on
or
you.
if
You
you've
caught
had
me.
angioedema of the nace or arm.
The other day, the coughing
Low
prank.
blood pressure, kidney problems,
When I was
or high
coughing.
blood potassium. Ask your doctor about Entresto for heart failure, and trust your
What
heart
are you
to
doing?
Entresto.
My back.
A place for mom makes it easy to
Everything
explore
hurts
your
your
options.
babies, no?
Whether it's assisted living, memory care, or home care, your senior living advisor will be there every step of the way. Connect with an A Place for Mom advisor today.
That's how I use my belt.
Expected.
That's how I use the belt.
459. Close enough.
Wow.
Unexpected?
Oh,
Is your
use the
banker
belt
working for
what?
you when
For
times
my
are tough
back.
to help
You
your
see the
local
belt?
taco
You
shop
see
stay
it on my
open? And then showing up to order too many tacos for your business.
Thank
You
you so
see
much
it?
for everything. Of course, my pleasure.
The blue
She
belt.
sells those tacos since day one.
Can I get 2 dozen veggie tacos?
I'm so. Your lips look red.
I forgot.
You saying your excuses like it was cold, I couldn't think. What about me? I'm cold and I can think. I cannot
Let's just take some time off.
be partnered with you.
Okay.
Honestly,
Yeah, exactly.
I am so hungry. We've gone days now without really eating. I can tell my coordination's not quite as good. Tensions are high just because I'm stressed.
That you know that show it's like the Adam in Eve.
You would be skinny over there.
Ooh,
You want me to be skinny?
Berry hunting is officially a forte of mine.
Do you want me to be
I feel like
skinny?
sometimes you just
Look,
forget I've actually
I
had
have
to do
nice
this
now,
to
guys.
live.
I have nice nails.
Yes, some more. Man, I'm on a roll.
What? See, I do.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That was a lot of
I
energy
don't feel
wasted.
like I want to cook.
I feel like if I
Ooh.
can get a decent
What
amount on my back,
happened?
I can pat it in, dry
What
them.
happened?
Not good for the next couple days.
What
Just getting some
happened?
clover just so that I can use it as
What
kind of a
happened?
filler in my cakes.
What happened?
God, that sun. My
That
back is just fire.
just coffee. So that we make it like that.
I have to get these mashed
Oh my God!
as soon as possible.
You are too
because
much. Let
I
me
need
see.
them to be
What
sun
happened?
dried. Clover just kind of helps hold it all together.
I find out
Her
my
skin
skin.
is just like peeling off. It looks horrible.
Not this way, hold on.
Thank you. They've been so awesome today. He's really stepped it up, and I love it. I just feel like I need to open up to him more instead of being such a bitch.
No, I want to cook. I don't want to
Some
cook.
grasshoppers. Nice little light snack. Pop their heads right off. Pull out all that goop.
He's gonna eat a grasshopper.
Mm.
Pop them right in the
I
bag.
need nothing for my lips.
It's over there on the table.
I scored 4 little
I want the
grasshoppers.
coffee.
You gonna have one tonight?
Amazing.
They're good.
I want the hot
If I see you eat one,
chocolate.
I'll eat one.
Okay.
I want hot
Happily.
chocolate.
Let me get the fire going.
You hear me?
Have you ever eaten a grasshopper?
I have. Just picture it
What
burnt popcorn.
happened?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Imagine if you lie down like
I was
that and
really
you're
hoping
thinking
you wouldn't
there.
get
Oh
good with
my
that.
God. I will get divorced right away.
You would be a
Divorce?
happy
Divorce?
woman.
No.
Yeah, give it up.
Divorce? Divorce? Divorce.
You would be a happy woman.
No.
Joe is crushing it
The
today.
doctor was
He's finding
telling me
grasshoppers,
the
and it looks
cooker,
like he's really starting to enjoy
right?
himself.
It's like
and
this,
I have a
and it's
fairy
open
cake.
again like
He
that.
deserves it. That's
So,
not fair
if
of me.
It's
Yeah.
the pen is never
Well, I just
go
felt like this was a nice peace offering.
up there and open it. It just stay here. You know what I mean? You let me see your phone. I'm gonna look for a picture of the cooker.
It's a mix of raspberry, strawberry, huckleberry.
I would buy that in a store.
It's pretty good.
Just sit down. I'm feeling really, really lightheaded. Oh.
That much? I don't think any girls like that. What happened to him?
That came on sunlight.
Huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh my. I gotta.
It's so cool.
You know what I'm looking for?
What?
Another memory card.
Another America?
What in the world is this guy?
Oh, Sky, go turn off the light in your room, baby.
Dile to mommy, what in the world is this guy? You wanna get banged tonight?
If I want to get binged tonight? No. What do you do with your shoes? Oh my God, honey.
What are you doing?
Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I hope I catch this one. I hope I catch this one on camera.
What happened?
Oh my God. Let's see.
What's it? Look, I have the letter.
Guy Sky, stop jumping.
Yeah.
What's in the world, Sky? What's in the world are you?